guys, what's going on? So I keep getting fired from cutting out my floor pans. As you can see, I'm making some pretty good progress, but I'm waking up my kids, so I figured I'd tackle something else that keep moving, keep plugging along. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the roof rack and install it. And I'm gonna test out this new camera I got that I didn't get to test the other day and see the sound quality it picks up and see what happens. So let's get to it. Alright, so sound check. Alright, see how we're doing. Hopefully I got this at the right angle. We're going to get some shop rags. And we're going to use, I don't want to use my best cleaner, so let's see what we got in here. I'll just use some, why not? Let's just use some of this Best Show Detailer. Let's turn it around. Good to go. Alright, and then it's going to sit like this. We got 4 of these guys, and it kind of gets clamped in there. I'm going to have to take the nut off of each one. A little ball joint kind of thing goes in here. Push her down. There. All right. Alright, click. And let's see what we gotta do to get it started. Let's get the light over here. Alright, get underneath. So start screwing these guys in. You know, once we get to the gunk, we'll have to tighten it down. Yep, you know, this isn't necessarily an important job right now, but it's the little things that bring a car together. And it's not gonna, like I said, it's not going to be a show car. I just want it to look cool, and I think it will. Do this other side first. You know what? I'm gonna get my ratcheting screwdriver for this. It's gonna save me a lot of heartache. I have a lot of editing to do because the video's gonna be super long otherwise, and it's pretty boring stuff.
gorgeous evening. Look at that. Look at that cloud, the sky over there.